Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Editing 24/7. In this video, we will be learning how to edit your Picsart background. There are a few different ways you can edit the background of a photo in Picsart, so let me go ahead and show you how. The first thing to do is to open up your Picsart application from your app drawer and then go ahead and select an image you would like to edit from your camera roll. After selecting the image from your camera roll or any other sources, go to the bottom menu of the screen and look for the Remove BG option and tap on it. Now you will be able to remove the background from your image. You can then add a new background color by tapping on the color option at the bottom and then choose from the colors template on the screen. You can also increase or decrease the size of your picture by dragging the edges on the screen. Simply pick a new background of your choice, or you can also click on the gradient option and choose gradient background or images provided within the options. You can also increase or decrease the opacity of the background by dragging the little white dot right next to opacity option. Make any other changes if you want by using the tools provided at the bottom. After you are happy with the result, click on the apply button at the top right, but remember that you must be a premium subscriber in order to use this function. If you're not a premium subscriber, then there is another way you can remove the background on your image, that is by simply using the erasure tool. Go ahead and click on the tools option at the bottom left, and from the menu, click on the selection option. Inside the selection tool, click on select and then from the sub menu select background. After selecting the background, click on the cut option at the top left. Now you will be able to cut out the background from the image. Click on the erasure tool at the top and erase your background by moving your fingers across the image. You can zoom in order to smoothen out the edges. Also make sure to select your size of your erasure by moving the size option. Simply brush your finger around the edges and remove the background with the help of your finger. Once you remove the background from an image, it'll look like this. You can use the pinch in or out gesture in order to zoom in or zoom out on the image. After clearing out or erasing the background, you can now click on the tick mark at the top right corner. Click on the apply button at the top right once you are done, and that should save the change. Now, you can go ahead and choose any background colors, gradients and images to find the perfect look for your image. So that is how you will be able to edit Picsart background. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.